Are you looking for the best office printers? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best office printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Brother MFCL 2750DW. If you only print black and white documents, you can save money with the monochrome laser model. We recommend the Brother MFCL 2750DW. It produces sharp documents, prints very quickly at over 30 pages per minute, and supports automatic duplex printing. In addition to the usual Wi-Fi, USB, and Ethernet connectivity, you get NFC support, so you can connect to the printer by tapping your NFC-enabled device. The scanner has an automatic feeder and scans double-sided sheets in a single pass. For its page yield and running costs, the toner cartridge gets you around 2,000 prints and is cheap, so it won't cost much to maintain unless you print a lot. Plus, since it's a monochrome printer, there's only one cartridge to replace. There are XL cartridges available that'll last longer, and the printer also accepts third-party toner, which might be cheaper. The drum is a separate unit you'll have to spend extra to replace, but it's usually good for around 12,000 prints, so you won't have to do it too often. Number 2. Brother MFCJ 4335DW. Our pick for the best mid-range office printer is the Brother MFCJ 4335DW, an all-in-one inkjet model. It has USB and Wi-Fi connectivity and supports Apple AirPrint and more pre-print service, so you don't need to install drivers or third-party apps when printing from a mobile device. Its regular ink cartridges yield a large number of prints, around 2,000 black and 800 color prints, and you can further increase the yield with XL ink cartridges. It prints black and color documents fairly quickly, and it takes about 11 seconds to warm up and get a single page out. Unfortunately, although it has a scanner with an automatic document feeder, it doesn't support duplex scanning, meaning scanning double-sided sheets can be very time-consuming. It prints black and color documents exceptionally well but isn't the best choice for printing photos as printed pictures look grainy with washed-out blacks. It's compatible with Brother's outstanding mobile app, which allows you to print, scan, copy, perform maintenance tasks, and order supplies. Number 3. Brother MFCJ 1205W/MFCJ 1215W. If you're on a tight budget, get the Brother MFCJ 1205W, also known as the Brother MFCJ 1215W at Walmart. This simple all-in-one inkjet model has a sturdy build despite its budget price, and its design allows for easy access to paper jams. It produces very sharp documents. It's just slow, as it can only print 9 black or 6 color pages per minute. Unlike most budget printers, its page yield is high. Plus, the ink cartridges are cheap, meaning that the printer won't cost much to maintain. As this is a budget model, there are a few downsides, like the lack of an automatic feeder and Ethernet connectivity. Also, it doesn't support duplex printing, meaning you'll have to flip the pages manually when printing double-sided sheets. Number 4. Epson EcoTank ET15000. If your office needs a printer that supports tabloid-size paper, go with the Epson EcoTank ET15000. This super tank model yields thousands of prints, and its replacement ink is cheap, making it a great choice for printing large posters in bulk. For photos and graphics, it can reproduce a wide range of colors and very fine details, but its color accuracy isn't that great, and the photos look grainy. It doesn't take long to wake from sleep, prints fairly quickly, and supports automatic duplex printing. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, USB, and Ethernet, and it supports Apple AirPrint and more pre-print service.